me do be go to jail into be jail corruption. There be. Hello, me chance up here. A dear na obeya, a be prevent obi. What are you going to do to prevent someone from being corrupt? That is the first thing you're supposed to do. Yes, sorry, prevention is better than cure. And this if one no my no benabu. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. Yet you are against a policy that will prevent. Are you guys really serious? Prevention is better than cure. Me boy, you can't de. But about politics, I may find you because no boa MPP are buying a bema Dr. Baumia Benyam address we obema yeno obia who say papa no na dwene mu da ho or you be a obetumi lead. He has his priorities right and no media and say yen kan asem kra. Have you heard them talking about it? After Dr. Baumia buy your obey what are they rather saying? Ebe kakra kra ebe to e-doc is already happening no. E-watch is already happening. QR code no obi a wosi wini mu bia kwante mu ni ho and how many people na unim policy ba people don't get it too. Are buying the policy ba you sign up for the policy. Into me say me shop me pese me use QR code. What do? I go and then I register so my thing can be QR code oriented. Yeah, the project now ba say QR code here juma. We see nipa he na Omu use QR code. Sammy Gyamfi, have you gone to that shop or one casa shop now? What course says it's so person who your man pay your tax in Tino. Who here QR code no? Now also the about company. Government brings a policy, implements it, and then you guys tap into it. Why can't you guys hello, it's the charity? Why can't you guys be a bit truthful? At then and the munye be truthful. Na a whole media house at ho ade cost to say a san kamuni na mutumi de mutume boa message dia Dr. Baumi abeye no ye hu bi da o sa the speech when the digitization ade we your de ba ye no me hu bi da me kwesi apia mete Canada ha but say ye be coordinate way ye do just say and you know most of them were starting where Juma all year it is evidence. And only idea about Papa no, Dr. Baumiano. Papa no me so no yo. Dr. Baumiana ye let us hold this guy ye so no yo. My party some party colors dear my yen says such a gem. One your politician to say you. Now saying ye teaching the kakra and about to me a political talk. He is a correct economist and ya dongonomic for only you. And ya to force no man do money IMF bailout. No, there be. Me pacho Ekufuado ba bemu. Say 5 years ni. Me boa. 5 years ni away. Me pacho one second for that the IMF. Say okojiska o. So almost say my economy no a better chain Ekufuado de no you yate ye pese agi no too. Yes, say ato force nom any adongo nom omunim economics ne finance chain kanu for yate any John Kuma nom yo yate. Yes, you omunim economic chain or safoma for nom yo yate yo yate ye ni omo ya adwene. Na eba ne say na obi a wo na wunim economic chain MPP for. Eba ne say na obi a wo na economics ni na hye wutrim adongo wi ase economics ni na adongo ne kura no adongo kasa wo economics a obi nkasa bi ato force nka finance ya it is finished egbena the last killer ato force and yet your stupid heroes, your economic gurus, your financial heroes kept running to IMF. Gidi. They be IMF. IMF. But yet you come outside and say you guys are the best. Mona mutumio manage economy ni Mona mu say for the economy. Yet the top gurus who claim they are better in this thing were not able or have not been able to do anything positive for their own self. You keep taking a country to the negative. You keep taking a country to negative and sit around and come and blame somebody who has lifted you from the bullshit you were inside and has put you in a place right now. Other companies, other countries are coming up day in, day out to do business with you. And Crawford bad day in, day out to come and work with Ghana, to come and do stuff with Ghana. And it is evidence. It is going on everywhere. You see it every day. It is going on everywhere, every day. What are you telling me? Last, let me join them. Say, have you guys noticed why in NDC for bar we suffer? Yeah, suffer because omo yankrophobia answer na omo kwakoye, you know. So I just say, answer na they like answer na they go and do something, no. Omo nye pre-thinking. Okay? Omo nye pre-thinking because make kwesi apia. Last me beside dey we me page so say, yaw, utu e sebe obekwa akoye adwuma na obekwa ko invest in adwuma asabi adwuma no mfa so ni so. Na ekuro bi wo ho. Ekuro economic indicators ni na tete apansam according to NDC. Ekuro bi wo ho. Ekuro no mu nyanya emu ni ameni na say according to NDC yate. Na nso ekuro emu atete apansam no. Enumbo na company say Johnny be mu be set up company say business say bagana just say sign truck wan me tias yo economy atete apansam no. Sammy Gyamfi na hu na nafunu ni na ahyehe. Sammy Gyamfi aye be makama. Enne Erika J enum ni na wo mu ni no mafunu ahyehe. Ekufuado economy emu oya. Ekufuado economy ekomde yen. Ekufuado economy anyono economy we dey bon enne Sammy Gyamfi V8 mu. Economy na ye papa. Ono ankasa ne papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama economy no. Na ye papa no. Na me kura me so chen Sammy Gyamfi. Not to say one finger fish. Economy na huto wom. Economy na Sammy Gyamfi se ye man nto aso no. Na Sammy Gyamfi aye say one. Economy ni mbo wa enye Ekufuado de no de enye oba omi awe fairly enye ni epenie enye ene Sammy Gyamfi ba our bodyguard na fu start hyehyɛ enkwan ye ope no onom aduane ope no udi unia do the analysis yourself. Me kasa me say fact figures will never lie. Say economy no Mr. Mahama dear say na eyegu
to wa we face the country so you asofo for so you hene nana me bam so nana we face the country nana oto asase anko na odie ukron for wo school fees ukron for wo timi school da ma mu eti me face the country nana oso ka Ghana perifon mon ka kire sa wo hene no oh yon afra wo hene nana yesrew ya nana no yebu pa nana uka Ghana perform e me face the country me emesi school yesrew ani diem Ghana na mo ka wi na Ghana ya hwese ayen fo no mo ka ho nana wudi akonwa hwe ne eduadua okro ma nana wutimi nya edua so so afuom enua sisi fom abroche enua na ma abroche efe enua keke flowers nana wutimi nua okrom eye dua bia na dua no ekromo ye wanua ye dua 30 years ne den si wakete nana okromo nya ye wa eti nana so me face the country aban no mo obeka me hu ahini bia ba social media so bobo na baso ba o mi ansem obeka me hu politician including media for amabon mo ma ba kudi Power FM, ma bon rough. Sa Power FM na. Me nya hint said your mama jam kan. Me na me awe o, madam fo ba ko o na mama hint no se bra. Ya GP o Power FM. Ya GP. E o Power FM. Sa ko bi na